Most people think a push-up is just a chest exercise. It isn't. A properly performed push-up trains your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your glutes and legs to work together. Before you even bend your arms, create a strong body position. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and keep your body in one straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Plant your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, with your fingers pointing forward. As you lower yourself, keep your elbows at roughly a 45-degree angle instead of flaring them out. This puts your shoulders in a stronger and safer position. Lower your body under control until your chest is just above the floor. Avoid rushing the movement. Breathe in on the way down, then exhale as you press the floor away and return to the starting position. Focus on quality, not speed. Every clean repetition builds more strength than a dozen sloppy ones. Master these fundamentals, stay consistent, and your push-ups will become stronger, smoother, and far more effective.